It's coming back just like a replay, rolling down the freeway, honey. The thought of you brings me to tears. It's been so many years, I'm finally seeing clear now, honey. Ooh, I remember you and I were free then, but I was leaving. Ooh, you and I were caught up in a feeling.
Good morning, loves, and welcome to my channel. So today I have for you guys a grocery haul. So I did Kroger pickup this week because I was just really busy and I wouldn't have had time to go to the grocery store until like this weekend, and I don't have that much food left, so I did Kroger pickup. So I'll show you guys what I picked up from Kroger, and then I'll probably show you guys some meals. This morning I woke up at 6 o'clock, went to the gym, hurried up and picked up my groceries, and then drove home and unloaded my car, and it was really difficult because there was no parking anywhere close to my apartment, so I had to like pull over on the side and put on my hazards and pull my groceries out, and it was in brown bags, and you know, you can't really carry multiple brown bags, well, you can carry 2 brown bags at a time, so I was like doing all this trying to get them in. But anyway, so I unloaded my car, threw my groceries on my counter, and then I went and found a parking spot, and now we're here. We're getting ready to put my groceries away and show you guys kind of what I got. I usually get about the same snacks every time I go to the grocery store, just because I do enjoy the snacks I get. And then I mix up my meals pretty often right now, just because I'm not seriously cutting yet. I'm just eating healthy and things like that. I am going to start cutting next week, so I will bring you guys what I eat when I cut video, and then you know, as the weeks go on, you get stricter and stricter with your macros, so I'll do videos on that. But this is just kind of like get started, eat healthy grocery haul. But I do mix up my big meals every 2 weeks, so with the groceries that I got this week are gonna last me 2 weeks until I can go to the grocery store with my next paycheck. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you guys do try the recipe for the burrito bowl, because it is one of my favorites, and honestly it makes eating healthy so much easier when you don't just eat chicken and rice all the time. Like I did that. I ate chicken and rice all the time. It was miserable. I hated it. I hated eating, which is not cool because I absolutely love food and I love cooking. So I got out of that and started like experimenting with some ingredients and some foods, and found stuff that I really do enjoy. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I really hope it helps you at least get started with grocery shopping. I will definitely do more, but this does make it really easy, and I don't even blink twice about the fact that I am eating healthy or like thinking, ew, this is gross. Like, I actually truly enjoy it. I'd rather be eating what I eat than going and eating pizza every night and things like that. Like, it's nice to not only eat good, but you feel so much better when you're eating healthy. Like, your body on the inside, like your energy and everything is just on a different level, and it's just so nice. But I do hope you guys try these recipes, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, leave a comment below, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. First bag, we have a bag of garden salad, eggs, a bunch of yogurt. These are 10 for 10, so of course I snagged 10 of them because I like these for like on the go or snacks or dessert if I'm craving a dessert. And then some shredded cheese. Some apples. They were 4 for $2, so I got 8. I also love apples. And then I'm going to be making a burrito bowl this week for my meal prep. So I have black beans, some more black beans, some corn, some more corn, croutons for my salad. Salsa. Black olives, because I love olives. Taco seasoning and quinoa. Oh, what's this? Oh, banana peppers. Some chicken. And then milk. I usually get almond milk, but they're the Simple Truth Organic 1% low fat milk was buy one get one. So I was like, all right, bet, say no more, because I really love milk, and I miss drinking it sometimes. So I like to treat myself to that some weeks. And then I got 3 pounds of ground beef. Yeah. Strawberries. Grapes. And bell peppers. Woo! So I got all of this for roughly like $65. And yes, this looks great. I'm so excited. So I know it's a little dark. This is my pantry, so this shelf is mine. As you can see, it's pretty full. I have all my supplements in here, cooking stuff and all that. Some fun. Also, if you ever want to crave a sweet tooth, these are really good. My boyfriend got those for me. And then some protein M&Ms. If you love M&Ms, I would get these. They honestly taste really good for M&Ms. And then I have this chocolate to crave my chocolate sweet tooth. So it's not the best, but it's better than anything else. And then, of course, I have my First Form protein bar. And then all of my protein powders are down here. And then also I have my pre-workout, and then my BCAAs. This one's BCAAs with caffeine, and then I have another BCAAs in my gym bag that I take. This I use if I really need to, and then all my First Form little supplements are all in there. So yeah, it's pretty full. I wish it would focus. There we go. It's a pretty full shelf of mine. And then I also, oh, I forgot. I meant to put this back. These are mine. These are my kale chips I like to make. So those are really nice for whenever you're craving chips. Like, they're like salty potato chips, kind of. And then in here, mine's usually the top shelf, and then we kind of share this one. But, yeah, I have my stuff I've already cooked from this week. Right here, all of my snacks. As you can see, it's really full all the way to the back. And then, boom, lettuce, meat, all of my milks. I didn't realize I had so many. And then I put all my fruit and veggies and cheese down here in the bottom. So we have all of that. And then in here I have all of my frozen fruits that go up here. I also like to cut up some of my strawberries because they do like 2 for $5 strawberries in these, and if they start going bad, I cut them up and freeze them for my smoothies. And then of course I have a bunch of spinach that I rarely ever use except for in smoothies, and I need to throw one away because it's taking up too much room. My frozen bananas, I like to freeze my bananas like this. That's why I get so many. Just put my chicken in here, and then we have some of my roommate's chickens and stuff, and then some of my frozen vegetables are back in the back. So, yes. Time for me to eat. Favorite part of the day is when I have food in my body. So I already have like prepped food because the other day I ran out of my meal prep and then I went through my freezer and was like, oh, what do I have laying around? So I have some Brussels sprouts, some potatoes. Oh, that was not closed all the way. And some grilled chicken. So I'm gonna eat that for lunch. Stop being scared of carbs. Stop it. Carbs are my best friend. And also, if you didn't know, fruit has carbs. So I eat a lot of carbs because I eat a lot of fruit. And I eat a lot of rice and quinoa and potatoes. And I'm still pretty fit. And I'm, you know, I don't have the best abs, but that's not because I'm eating carbs. I can promise you that. Anyways, that was my rant for carbs. I'll definitely probably do a video on why I believe people should eat carbs and not be scared of them. I've done a lot of research on it, and you know, it really does help my body. I've actually gotten a lot more leaner and fit because I've eat carbs. Trust me, I went there too, where I never touched carbs and I was scared of carbs, but Brussels sprouts. But now they my best friend. This is my lunch. I know it's pretty plain and boring, but that's all I had to cook yesterday, so I'm just gonna finish eating it. But all my other recipes, like my dinner tonight, if I make the Mexican bowl, yes, it's not boring at all. It's fun, it looks fun, it tastes fun, it is just a whole bunch of fun. I love sour candy, so sour apples are great to help my sour cravings. Yummy, yummy. Smells so good. Yeah, so that's my lunch. I hope my balls don't fall. My Brussels sprouts. Just doing my thing, watching her swing. Just remote Alabama. We got quinoa. We've got 3 pounds of ground turkey. We've got bell peppers. That's all I really have to cook for this. Oh, well, I need to cook my beans and corn, but I'll show you guys that later. Alright guys, so that is my grocery haul and my recipe. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. I hope you guys try the recipes or try getting some of the groceries that I told you guys about. I know mixing it up a little bit with different brands and stuff can be fun. You'll find like, there's like some yogurts that I have tried that I absolutely hated, and then I got like Oikos, I think is how you pronounce it, and I'm like, yes, breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, snack, Oikos. Not really, but I do really enjoy it. So like kind of switching up the brands and things like that do help if you end up trying something that you don't like. So I hope you guys do try this grocery haul, and I hope you guys try the recipes, and I hope this helps you guys kind of start your fitness journey whenever it comes to like nutrition wise. Eating healthy can be fun. It doesn't have to be boring. So just mix it up and kind of learn. Like, all you have to do is just look up healthy fun recipes and boom, there you are. Or like healthy fun cheap recipes, boom, like it's there. Like everything is there. You just kind of got to put in the work. So just try them out, and if you like them, comment below and like, and don't forget to subscribe, because I will be uploading once a week or at least trying. I am a college student and a full-time employee and an internship, so it is really hard. But I am going to be trying to upload once a week with some health and fitness and just well-being, lifestyle kind of videos, just to help out people who, like me, I needed help whenever I first started as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!